Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025 to 2024 Mercedes-Benz GT. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GT has been named the best luxury sports car for 2025, solidifying its position as a paragon of performance and opulence. With its stunning design, powerful engine options, and advanced technology, the GT continues to impress both driving enthusiasts and luxury car aficionados. Unmatched performance and dynamic driving. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GT lineup offers exhilarating performance across its range. The GT features a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, available in several configurations. The base GT delivers 523 horsepower and 494 lb-ft of torque, while the GTS pushes these figures to 577 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking the pinnacle of performance, the GT-R boasts 577 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, allowing it to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. The GT's rear-wheel drive system and finely tuned suspension provide superb handling and balance, making it equally adept on winding roads and racetracks. The AMG Ride Control suspension system ensures a perfect blend of sportiness and comfort, while the adaptive dampers allow drivers to adjust the ride quality to their preference. Striking design and luxurious interior. The 2024 GT's design is a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to elegance and performance. Its low, wide stance, aggressive front grille, and sculpted lines give it a commanding presence on the road. The retractable rear wing enhances aerodynamic efficiency and adds to the car's sporty look. Inside, the GT offers a luxurious cabin adorned with high-quality materials such as leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The driver-focused cockpit features a high-resolution 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Mercedes-Benz MBUX interface. The seats are both supportive and comfortable, providing an optimal driving experience whether on long journeys or spirited drives. Advanced technology and safety features. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GT is equipped with a suite of advanced safety and driver assistance technologies. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, enhancing both safety and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz GT's blend of breathtaking performance, sophisticated design, and luxurious features has earned it the title of Best Luxury Sports Car for 2025. With its powerful engines, refined interior, and state-of-the-art technology, the GT remains a top choice for those who seek a sports car that delivers both exhilaration and elegance.